Drop the knife.
Put the knife down.
Give us 1033.
Put it down.
Put it down. Put it down. Put it down. Oh, great. Shots fired. 18 by police. Stay down. Stay down.
Hang on.
Stay down. Atlantic and Belmont. We're right by the railroad tracks. Stay down. Stay down. Roll over on your back. I'm sorry. Roll over on your stomach. Roll over on your stomach.
Delta 314, you're in the middle of Atlantic Boulevard.
Roll on your stomach. Put your hands out by your side.
Bring your other hand out.
You got rescue beat 1051, 1068. Hey. What you want to do? You want me to handcuff?
Yes.
All right. Hey, stop. Put your hands behind your back.
I got it.
Hey, bro, put the knife down. Put the knife down. I'm telling you right now, put it down.
Put it down.
Put it down. Shots fired. 18 by police. Stay down.
Hang on.
We're right by the railroad track. Stay down. Roll over on your back. I'm sorry. Roll over on your stomach.
Apartment complex.
Roll over on your stomach.
Delta 314, we're in the middle of Atlantic Boulevard.
Roll on your stomach.
Bring your other hand out. Bring your other hand out.
12-0. Move the zone.
All right. Go cuff.
51, 268.
Hey. What you want to do? You want me to handcuff?
Yes.
238, 342, 1097.
Alright. Hey, stop! Put your hands behind your back.
6-6 for U77. Is there anyone standing?
I got it. Delta 314, he's in handcuffs now. Need rescue here.
Drop the knife.
Put the knife down.
Give us 1033.
Put it down.
Put it down. Put it down. Put the knife down. I'm telling you right now. Put it down.
Put it down.
Put it down.